Oh, let's go again. Go again. What's that?
I've had this over 20 years.
Oh no, it's a shame, mate, but then you don't find time, do you? So like I've had that Escort now, and I've had that Escort for 6-7 years. Takes all the road for 2 years. But what it was, I had the floor pan went through. Well, yeah. I left the windows open and the cover on it. Yeah. And the cover, what's named, blew off. 3 months, I never went back to it. It's it's not Fred Flintstone's car now, so it took me by its garage to have a floor put in, but it's been there for about 2 years.
That blue when he come out and I thought, fuck me, that's what I fared fucking well in there.
Yeah, they're good, these garages, eh? They're better than a lot, I suppose, on road, I suppose.
Well, that's rolling on it,
yeah, they're both are. Yeah, you got it? Yeah. Good. Yeah, right, I'm stuck. Just get that block of wood there for now. That's where I rolled a bit free there, I think. Right, yeah. Lovely stuff. Lovely stuff. Right, doing the same again now. Hopefully it does drag it over. Yeah. If it does, we'll have to bring the truck back and drag it out a bit. This one so don't catch your bump in the metal there.